Ang ACHI, nalaman ko dahil sa ito ay partnership po siya ng AMI School.
I had an opportunity to rotate across 3 departments, which gave me po a comprehensive understanding about hotel operations.
Sa housekeeping, ang natutunan ko doon is kung paano gumamit ng tama sa mga machines or sa mga cleaning tools na proper na gamitin po sa paglilinis po.
The training prepared me by helping me discover which department I'm fit, and I realized that housekeeping is the department where I excel. The training gave me a strong foundation and confidence in my abilities, which I've been able to apply in my current role.
Nung nagtitraining ako, yung mas naging memorable po sa akin is yung learning na tinuro po ng aking mga trainers na kung paano po ang mga proper at improper na dapat pong itama pag nasa field na tayo ng hospitality industry.
Be open to learning, take initiative, and make the most of the experience. I'm confident that this program will equip you with the skills and confidence to succeed in this industry.
You made a big impact for my personality and professional growth. Maraming salamat. Keep up the good work sa pagturo po sa mga estudyante pa para sa pag-abot po ng kanila pong mga pangarap. Thank you, Astoria ACHI.